Hello everyone, I am an employee in a banking company. This morning, my manager came to me and gave me this banking dataset and told me that there are values in the customer ID column which are repeated or duplicated, and I'm supposed to first highlight those duplicate values and then remove those duplicate values. So being new to the world of Excel, the only way that I knew was first enable filter after going to the data tab, then sort them from A to Z. Now compare each value whether there are duplicates or not. But doing this for about 5,000 or 6,000 records would consume a lot more of my time. I wanted some easy solution to do this. So what I did was I went to the Google and searched how to identify duplicates in Excel. Well, Google search gave me a very simple solution for my problem. It asked me to go to Home tab, then Conditional Formatting and highlight cell rules. So I quickly went and tried that. So I selected my column, went to the Home tab, then in the Conditional Formatting, highlight cell rules and then duplicate values. You see what happens with this is when I scroll down, all the duplicate values get highlighted, making my work much simpler and easier. Now I want to do the second task, that is removing the duplicate values. Again, selecting individual rows and then deleting them would take a lot more of my time. Doing this for individual duplicate values. So what I did was again went to the Google and did a simple Google search how to remove duplicates in Excel. Again, with the click of a button, we can easily remove duplicates in Excel. It is asking me to go to the data tab and then remove duplicates. So I just followed the same approach. I selected this column, went to the data tab, and then this is the remove duplicates button over here. Now I want to expand the selection and I want the duplicates to be removed from the customer ID column. So I pressed OK. You see 40 duplicate values were found and removed, and there were some 5,500 unique values in the dataset. Now when I scroll down my dataset, I would not find any duplicate values to be highlighted because all the duplicate values are removed from my dataset.